Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I do my deep conditioner. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You all will need something to mix your conditioner in, and also a conditioner of your choice. Here I have the Suave apple green or juicy green apple conditioner. You will then put that in a bowl, and mind you, I am eyeballing every product that you see in this video. Next, we're going to use vegetable glycerin. This product helps retain scalp moisture and promotes hair growth. It also strengthens hair and makes it less prone to hair breakage. It is also a humectant, which is made to pull moisture from the air and help you retain it. Now we will be using almond oil. Almond oil helps hydrate your hair follicles and makes hair look shiny and soft. This is also great to use in your skin regimen. Mind you guys, I use this all the time in my skin regimen. I'm going to go in with my Jamaican black castor oil, which is known to moisturize, thicken, and strengthen hair for increased hair growth. I also use this on my edges, guys, because your girl is real bald head out here though. The next product we have is tea tree oil, which helps soothe itchy scalps, reduces dandruff and flaking. It also improves the blood flow and allow nutrients to reach your hair follicles. It's very stimulating to your scalp. I also added a little bit of biotin in there. It is known for hair growth and growing hair. I also only added 4 drops of this. You can also use this bad boy in your smoothies. It is edible. I was just trying something new. In this video, I will be adding an egg, which is very known for protein. The egg basically supports your hair growth and contains protein. The protein in the egg is known to make the hair follicle stronger and enhances elasticity and adds shine. Last but not least, I also added honey. And honey is known as a humectant and great hair moisturizer. It also adds shine to dull hair. I basically forgot to add it on camera. My bad. Now I'm gonna mix all the products together, and we gonna whip it real fast. Whip it real fast. Put your hand on that spoon. Whip it real fast. If you're from Memphis and you watch Hustle and Flow, that's from a saying, except they're saying shake it real fast.
Put your hands on your knees. Shake it real fast. Shake it real fast.
This is what the product looked like after I was done. If you have a thicker conditioner, please use it. That was all I had on hand. I put my lid on so I can refrigerate this until I was done shampooing my hair. I'm just going to apply all of this conditioner over my hair. I actually just got done shampooing my hair, my regular wash day routine. applying all of that deep conditioner to my hair, I'm going to put this plastic cap on. Actually, I'm going to put 2 of these plastic caps on, and I will sit under the hair dryer or my heated cap. Alright, your girl is done deep conditioning. Boom, shakalaka, laka, boom. Alright, so here is my hair. I have a little bit of egg in it. I really didn't care. I've had a rough week, which explains me not posting. Here is my hair after it is styled and looks so moisturized, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and you will definitely hear back from me, girl, with more videos to come. Thank you so much.